basement. So I'm here up on the ladder, and I already did one or two. You can see taped. Now just a very simple test to figure out if the duct is leaking is, see, you have this hole here. You grab a small toilet paper, just put in there, and if it just sticks in there, that means, see, that means you know that there's a duct leakage. So I have this no short tape. I'm gonna put the link in the description. There are many tapes out there, but this is one of best one. 324A, you can use that. So I'm gonna go over all of these holes you see here and try to tape them, and then do another test to see if I have any more leaks. So just something very simple but very useful to save a lot of money. I already did a whole bunch of those here. I had a big leak and I can already see the improvement in the rooms where these ducts are going. Yeah, so I hope to share it with you guys out there, so you can also use this simple tip to save some energy on heat. It's gonna be cold. It's end of October here, northeast. All right.